Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing a PM service today at a building that has 4 systems. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these are the air handlers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and doing a maintenance check, make sure all the fan motors are working. Make sure it's good on freon, capacitors, contactors, motors, compressors, and things like that. And here on this side, we have the filters. All the filters are in here. There, and the air is sucked this way. And then we have the evaporator coils that are that way. We'll see them through this side. We got a big compartment door. So this is the like, that's the fan motor up there, the belt, that's the motor, and these are the coils. All these your TXVs, solenoids, it's nice and cool in here. So yeah, we check all those things. Close the door. So call us for all your air conditioning, heater, refrigeration, and plumbing needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay? See you guys in the next video.